There's nothing like a trip to a state park, home of our gentle forest friends. Do not feed the bears. Do not talk to the bears. Do not even think about bears. Huh? Do not put up a fight. Hey, I'm driving here, bub.
No, I'm driving here.
Whoa, 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 whoa. You won't get away with this. Too short. Too lean. Too ugly. Bingo! He's the one who stole my car.
Big Al. We'll finally put him away when you testify at the trial tomorrow, Mr. Woodpecker.
But I can't testify. Big Al could have friends.
We promise to keep you safe and under police protection.
I can't do it, man.
I think you'll find the safe house accommodations aren't too shabby.
Woohoo! Duty calls.
Take care of the witness. Hey, buddy. Wanna play concentration?
Soon as I sink this shot, Ossifer. Yep, I'm as safe as a bug in a rug with all this protection.
Bye-bye, buddy.
So, you ready to lose your shorts? I'll go first.
Yeah, you will.
Are you okay? Wait a minute. Do you think that was Big Al sending a message? Do you think that was meant for me? You gotta protect me! Yeah, a nice scary sound like that'll keep him away. You cleaning the pool so we can swim?
Yeah. This algae's murder.
We need some pool toys.
Gotcha.
Whoa! This pool toy sprang a leak. That does it. We're getting out of here. What am I thinking? I'll be an open target outside. We gotta secure this place. They almost got you twice now. I could be next, man!
I'll secure the perimeter.
Good, good. He's securing the perimeter. I feel safer already.
It's just me. Complimentary fruit from the precinct.
Oh, how thoughtful.
End of my shift. See ya, buddy.
That's no fruit basket. Let me out! It's you! Shut the bomb off!
There is no shut off.
Seconds to detonation. yourself goodbye.
It's for you.
No, you.
No, you.
Fine.
You wanna leave? Let me show you the door.
You're not gonna be the first witness I've ever missed. I'm the best there is in the business. I have no equal. There is none greater than I.
Would you get the door, please? Your Honor, that's the guy who stole my car. And that's the guy he hired to make sure I didn't make it here to say that's the guy who stole my car.
This is a tissue
What
of
are you
lies.
talking about?
Order! Order in the court! Can you prove he tried to stop you from getting here today, Mr. Woodpecker?
Exhibit A. Need I say more?
What are you looking at?
It would be a pleasure to testify against him at the next trial.
Trial is set for a week from tomorrow. Of course, we're going to have to put you in another safe house, Woody.
No problemo. And here's the one I want. Yep, a guy could get used to this kind of justice.